bed, yeah. Now I got them cold nights with you are in my head, yeah. I'm reminiscing over all the shit we used to do. Don't think I'll come back round this time after losing you. Look at your pictures in my phone and on my wall. Look at the memories of us from when we were young. Fuck another, I don't think that I would ever fall. This shit was real and that's why this is so hard. So hard.
So hard, can't sleep now. Too many thoughts in my head, can't calm down. Too many drops, found water, now we're drowned out. Shit crushed my heart when I found out that you were gone for good. Then regrets started flooding my head like I should've been there, boy.
It's been a while now, I've been fucked up off the